Okay, are you ready to go do a project? You gonna bring your dinosaur with? Okay. Okay, let's go do a project. Aww. What kind of project are we doing?
Strawberry.
Ooh, strawberries? Ooh, we're gonna make flowers. We're gonna make red flowers with your hands, okay?
No, it's green flower.
You wanna do a green flower?
Yeah.
Okay. We could do a green flower. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
All right, let's get you out of the crib so we can go do a project. And we gotta go get brother.
Oh, no.
Okay. Brother can do the project with us too, right?
Yeah, not so much.
Okay. That sounds great. All right, let me get it kind of set up. So what we're going to make, boys, are some flowers. They're gonna go like this. So can you do your hand like this? Yeah, can you do your hand like this?
No.
So we're gonna put handprints like that. It's gonna be roses. If they're like this, then it won't look like a flower, right? But if we go like this, it'll be like a flower. So we're gonna make handprint flowers, and we're gonna give them to Grandma and Grandpa. That's the project you wanted to do, remember?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add it to our popsicle sticks later.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do this twice, Logan, okay? So you're gonna do one hand right over here. Ready? 3, 2. Oh, you're gonna do it by yourself? 3, 2, 1, drop. Leave it down. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Yay! Let's put more paint on. Okay, now right here, you're gonna do the same thing on this side. Ready? 1, yeah.
No.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, drop. Nope, over a little bit. Yep, right there. Ready? 1, on this side. 2, 3. Yep, drop. Leave it down. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Yay! And we have 2 little handprints. Good? Okay, we're gonna let those dry. Let me see your hand. Okay. Okay, your popsicle sticks. So these are gonna be the stems of our flowers, and we're gonna paint them green because they're coming out of the ground. They are green. So here is your green, Logan. So you can dip your green and then paint your popsicle sticks.
Is this my brown?
So now I'm gonna do your hand. Which hand do you want me to paint?
This one.
Okay. So this one. So the reason why we're doing flowers today, or roses, is because Liam decided it would be a good gift to give Grandma and Grandpa right now.
I'm going to go back to Colorado.
Yeah, because they're in Colorado right now. And
You're going to drop these off?
Mommy's gonna drop these off saying these are from Liam and Logan. So this can be for any project. I mean, you can use this for Mother's Day, you can use it for Easter, you can use it for just because. It could be for your, parents. It could be for grandparents, aunts, uncles, whoever. And it's just flowers saying, we love you. Okay, so you're gonna do it on this half right there and put your hand, yep. So come over a little bit. Yep. Ready? 3, 2, 1, drop. Hold. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Very good. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Let me throw on more paint. The paint I just got at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. I've done both. Some paints come off better than others, huh? So, yep. Ready? 3. Oh, don't do it too much because otherwise it's going to get all messy. Ready? 3, 2, 1, down. Good. 3, 2, 1, lift up. Beautiful. And we've got 2 more flowers. So these are just because. So we can write love you. We can write your age. We can write.
Can I paint that, Mom?
Yep. Let's take this off. All right. So Liam, here's your green. I want you to paint your popsicle sticks. So we are going to have to come back. So we're going to have to let these popsicle sticks dry. And then we'll come back and we need to let these dry too. So we'll cut these out. Make it kind of the shape of a rose. And then on the back, we'll just say, love you, Grandma, love you, Grandpa, and then their names and maybe their ages so that it correlates to how big their little hands are. Keep them separate. And then that's really it. So this is just more of an impromptu, fun project. Liam brought it up yesterday. We really wanted to do it, so we went to the craft store, got a couple of items, and then here we are. Thought I'd record it and throw it out there. So it's always good. I had a bunch of these around the house. So again, it's great to just use any household items that you have so you're not constantly going to the craft store. Unfortunately, we ran out of these, so I just needed to buy more. They're very inexpensive. You don't have to go to Michael's. You can find these at Walmart, Amazon, Target, wherever. Where are you going? Can I help you paint yours? And then maybe we'll make some leaves that we can cut out to add to the stem. I'll just kind of place them on the plate like that. I do have another really cool video. I'll link it wherever, either on the video or whatnot. He just reminded me. So there's a really cool letter recognition activity that you can do. It's for the letter D, unless you can put it with other stuff too. Maybe M for monster truck. The letter is the letter D that we did it with. D is for dinosaur. And what I did was I cut out the shape of the letter D, and then I did a bunch of, I think I did greens and browns. I actually can't remember what color paints I did, but we did dinosaur footprints. And so on the letter D, I had Liam walk his little dinosaurs around making footprints with the paint on the letter D. Looks like, I mean, you could definitely do it for M for monster truck, maybe C for cars, T for truck, for the wheels and tires. So I don't know how we got to this point, but we're here now. I'll catch back with you in a minute once the paint dries, and we will finish our project from there. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna make this really quick because the kiddos are coming in and out from outside, but I did go ahead and take the handprints and cut them into somewhat little rose shapes. And then on the back side, I just wrote love you grandma, love you grandpa, and their names and their ages. Depending on what you're doing with it, you could always have them do the Elmer's glue and have the children help you with it. I don't trust them with the hot glue just yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it and just hot glue the popsicle sticks that we previously painted onto each of the rose is. And then we're also gonna go ahead and glue on some leaves as well to complete it. So let's go ahead and get that done. We'll let this dry. And that's really it. It's fun because you get to use the kiddos' fine motor skills. They're having fun with it. They're working with paint, with colors, with shapes, all that good stuff. And there you have it. You can give a little flower of love just because. Mother's Day, Easter, you name it. And I will go ahead and finish the rest. Say cheese. Say love you, Grandma. Love you, Grandpa.
Love you, Grandma. Love you, Grandpa.
Hope you love our flowers.
Hope I love your flowers. Hope I like flowers.
Very good. Let's let them dry. Okay, put them on the table so they can dry because they're not dry yet. They're almost dry. Very good job.